ClickUp 3.0 AI. How to use ClickUp AI step by step for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the new and amazing AI features that have been introduced in ClickUp's new 3.0 update. So let's get into it. Now, this is a seriously life-changing project management tool where you can integrate AI into your day-to-day tasks, into monitoring, creating, and automating a lot of your functions on ClickUp. And project management has never been this efficient with the use of AI with ClickUp 3.0 and some of its other features as well. But let's take a deeper dive into ClickUp's new AI. I will be discussing a few of the key features at the end of this video, which have been introduced in ClickUp 3.0 as well. So if you want to know more about those, make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, ClickUp 3.0 AI, what can it do? Well, the first thing you'll notice is that on the top of your home page or on top of your ClickUp screen, you're going to notice the AI feature right beside the search bar. So on the center right, you're going to find the AI feature. Now, if we open up this AI feature, the first thing you will see is that it has a basic search bar. Now, within this search bar, you can ask it anything, but below that, you have a little drop-down menu. If you click on this drop-down menu, you have multiple different types of AI tools. So you have some popular tools that are frequently being used. So writing with AI, improving pre-existing writing, creating templates, tables with data, processes, as well as blog posts. However, if you click on this drop-down menu over here, you're going to find some additional features as well. So you have design-related features, you have email-related features, you have IT-related features, you have marketing-related features, and in this way, you can basically automate a lot of the day-to-day functions that you have to do manually. So let's say I am looking for a new idea. So I can go into marketing and you can see there are so many different marketing tools that I can receive with AI. So let's say I want to create potential ideas, and let's say my product is a niacinamide serum, and let's say our target audience is teens, and the goal is to increase, let's say our goal is to boost website visits. And then the tone of voice should maybe be friendly, and I want the creativity to be medium on this. And then I'm going to click on generate over here. And now you guys can see this is generating not only one type of campaign, it has given me a Instagram campaign, then a YouTube series, then a teen skincare blog, a virtual skincare consultation on Facebook Live events, a influencer takeover Snapchat campaign as well. These are amazing campaigns targeted at teenagers. Now you can do this with anything, and the best part is that once you generate with the AI, the next thing you can do is you can create tasks, you can create documents, and you can also edit some of the input or even regenerate. So let's say I want to create tasks. Now what I'm going to do is that I want this to be a task, and let's say I want to copy this as the name, so I'm just going to paste it over here like this, and then I can create this as a task. I can also go into docs and I can even create this as a doc, even so that I can even go into the chat and reminder features, and you can put in reminder for this doc, as well as create a whiteboard within your workspace. So let's say I want to name this doc, and this doc is going to be our promo, and then you can click on add to location. I am going to add this to our agile project management, and then after that I'm going to click on create doc over here, and just like that we have created a new document. Now once we have our new document created over here, now I can go into agile project management and I can go on ahead and take a look at our doc over here. Now once you have a document, not only can you create AI based documents, but if I take a look at one of the items, so let's say we have this one over here, and I can go on ahead and create a toggle list like so, and then I can add all of the items that need to be completed within this particular document. Now other than this, you can actually take any document that you have previously created and you can ask the AI to summarize it. So If I ask it to summarize it, you guys can see that it has summarized the entire document that we just created within a paragraph. Now you can even click on insert summary block, and then now within this one document, I have inserted a summary. So if there's a manager in your team or someone that just needs to supervise and they're not going to read through the entire thing, they just want to skim through it to get a basic idea, they can read the summary created with the AI. And after this, you can even further elaborate more with the AI as well. So if I take a look at this, so if I click on the influencer takeover Snapchat campaign, now if I select only this section and I click on the AI section now, you guys can see you have multiple different options. Now you can generate action items like this. Now this has generated action items for me, and I can click on replace. Now, this can be great when you are creating tasks. So I can ask it to create task like this. And you guys will see that you will have your tasks. Now you can go on ahead and replace them over here. And then after that, once you have added some of your basic items over here, you can create a simple dashboard where you can start adding these as tasks instead of having them within your document. Now, after this, you guys will be able to see that, let's say I have some more changes I want to make, I can make them with AI. You can even generate action items, continue writing, explain, summarize, and even translate. Now, in translations, you have multiple different features available. You have French, English, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Italian, Swedish, Dutch, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and Arabic. So you can translate your documents as well as simplify the writing, edit with AI, improve the writing, and let's say I want to click on edit the writing. How would I like to edit this? So let's say I want to make this more creative like this and create tasks like this. So once I have selected my items, now it has started to create tasks, and now I can click on replace to add these instead. Now this is just for one document. Let's say I create a new document just to show you guys the power of ClickUp 3.0. ClickUp 3.0 is going to be so powerful because it has so much integrated into it. So if I just open up a new document, let's say I just add this as brainstorming like this. So once I click on brainstorming over here, you can click on a ClickUp list over here, and you can actually even add a simple list within your docs. But if I go ahead and let's say I'm going to click on the templates over here, you can go on ahead and, create your own templates as well. But what I'm going to do is I am going to ask it to write brainstorm ideas for marketing a new skincare line like this. So you guys can see that it has started to brainstorm our ideas. So it's creating our document for us, and the AI is going to start creating multiple different items that you can generate into tasks as well as edit and make it elaborate further. Now, not only can you generate with ClickUp 3.0 with the amazing tool of AI, you can take your pre-existing documents, you can summarize them, you can make them more elaborative, and you can even do your finances with AI. What is there not to love with the 3.0 integrations? Now, these are some of the AI features. Other than this, 3.0 on ClickUp is fantastic as well because they have introduced a home section that is absolutely customizable, a doc section that will help you access all of your documentations. Then you also have a improved inbox where you have activities and messaging is separated, so it's easier for you to know on activity and catch up on activity as well as catching up on messaging. Plus, you also have a easy access toolbar on the top right, which will give you a simple and easy view, and you can start creating with ClickUp. Now, it has never been this easy to manage all of your tasks so efficiently and timely. And the best part is that the ClickUp tools are super easy to use, it's intuitive, and this is really the gold standard for project management right now. And with these integrated AI tools, you can make a lot of your work a whole lot easier. And you can even ask it for multiple different ideas. You can generate items, you can write your briefs and do a lot of the manual work with ClickUp's integrated AI features, as well as their improved project management features to further save you some time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you have any thoughts to share, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, and I will catch you guys in the next video.